evening. Can I get your canvas slip? What is your full name, dear?
My name is Harshpreet Kaur.
Harshpreet. What should I call you?
You can call me by my first name Harsh.
Okay, Harshpreet. Who named you?
My mom given my this name.
Okay. Let's talk about hometown or village. What kind of place it is? Your place, village or your town?
My village name is Mishraikala. It is very neat and clean and many facilities are available in this.
What's the most interesting part of your town?
I think the playground is very interesting part of my hometown because in the evening time all the youngsters play at this place.
What kind of jobs do the people in your town?
Sorry?
What kind of jobs people do of your hometown?
I think my hometown have a small hospital. Then youngsters have a jobs in hospital.
What is the major occupation of your hometown people?
They approximately they are all plus 2 pass.
What is the main occupation of the people of your town? What people do for living? People of your hometown, what they do for living?
They do many work like cleaning and sell many vegetables like fruits.
Will you say it's a good place to live?
Definitely it is a good place to live because it is very neat and clean.
Okay, let's talk about tiredness. What kind of things make you tired?
Sometimes I do so much work, then I feel very tired.
What do you do when you feel tired?
When I feel tired, I do listening music. Sometimes I do gossips with my family.
Whom do you usually talk to when you feel mentally tired? With whom you usually talk to when you feel mentally tired?
When I feel mentally tired, I talk with my mom because it is very cooperative. She is very cooperative.
Do you like to talk to stranger when you feel mentally tired? When you feel mentally tired, do you like to talk with any stranger?
Yes, I like to talk with any stranger because they will help me mentally tired in situation of mentally tired.
This is the end of part 1. Now for part 2, here is a card with some questions. You'll have a minute to look at the questions and you need to speak for 2 minutes on the topic of the card. If you wish, you can use notepad and pencil to make some notes. Talk about a magazine article you read about healthy living or an online article about healthy living. What was the article about? When did you read it? How did you come across this magazine or an article? Explain what lesson did you learn from it. You have 1 minute. any article which is related to healthy living, which gives us a chance to know that we should live like this to stay healthy. If you're ready.
I read a healthy article when I went to go when I went Amritsar. I purchased a book, and then I read a healthy diet article. Uh, it helped me how to make we live a healthy. Uh, we should eat a healthy food, like green vegetables, and we should do not eat junk foods, because it affect on our health. Then we have many dangerous diseases like uh, heart problem, and
Now I have to stop you here because your time is up. Let me take this back. Can I? Let's talk about your follow-up questions. Let's talk about healthy living. What are the most popular ways of keeping healthy in your countries?
I think we should do more exercise when we do healthy life.
What are the most popular ways of keeping healthy in your country?
Exercise is the most important way to keep our health.
Do you think most people worry more about their health as they get older? Do you think people worry more about their health when they get older?
Yes, they get more worried, because in this time our country is very polluted. That is why they face too many problems, like heart attack, and and many health issues.
Do you think some people continue bad habits when they know that they are damaging their health?
Yes, most of the people do bad habits because they do smoke, and many more dangerous.
Why they do so?
Why they?
Do so. Why they keep doing bad activities even they know that they can get sick and they're damaging their health. Why they doing it? How can children be encouraged to adopt healthy eating habits?
Parents should encourage their children when they live a healthy life.
Do you think people have become more health conscious in recent years?
I think people are not healthy, because in this time all the all the youngsters prefer to a young food. They do not eat a healthy food. That is why.
Do you think people have become more health conscious in recent years?
Yes, more people are health conscious in recent years because in this time youngsters have more knowledge about health.
That is the end of speaking test. Thank you.